Hi, my name is Peyton Zimmerman. Have you ever used Coggle before? I used Coggle a few weeks ago for a homework assignment. I had never used Coggle before this homework assignment. I use Coggle now for my homework assignments and for organizing my ideas. Coggle is a website that allows you to brainstorm ideas, plan assignments, or Coggle can present your maps. Coggle is a very helpful tool for schoolwork or for organizing my ideas for homework assignments. Now, do you want to know how you can use Coggle? First, you're going to go to your Safari or Internet Explorer, and you're going to type in to your search engine coggle.it. And it'll bring up the homepage for Coggle. You can either sign in up now or log in. I've already used the Coggle account, so I'm going to log in. Now it'll bring up, you're going to have to use a Google account to sign into your Coggle account. Next, you're going to hit the sign in with Google button at the top of your homepage. And it should bring up all of the accounts you use for Google. And you're going to select the one that you have made for your Coggle account. Next, it's going to come up with your Coggle homepage. On the left-hand side, it has your account in the left-hand top, and then it's going to have all your maps that are created by you, shared with you, and the gallery. In this main page over here, it has all your maps that you've already made. So if you want to create a new Coggle map, you're going to go to this left-hand button and create your diagram. So you're going to want to title your graph. I'm going to title my graph My Technology that I use for everyday life. And then I'm going to click outside the box. When you want to add to your My Technology, you're going to hit this plus button right here. And then you're going to come up with another title. So I'm going to put social media. And then you're going to click outside the box when you're done typing. Now I want to add on to social media and keep the graph flowing from there. So how you want to do that is you're going to click this plus button that right next to social media, and it's going to come up with another box. So now I'm going to type out all the social media that I use. I use Facebook, and then I'm going to click outside the box, and then you're going to go back to the plus button right by social media and click it again, and it'll bring up a new box. And I'm going to put Instagram, and then I'm going to click outside the box, and then you're going to go back to the plus button by social media, and I'm going to put Twitter, and then click outside the box. When you're done, you're going with that branch, you're going to go up to My Technology, and there should be a plus button again, and you're going to click it. And then I'm going to put another title that I want to use, and I'm going to put devices that I use. And then click outside the box. Now I want to add on to that, so I'm going to hit the plus button right by devices that I use, and I'm going to put I use a MacBook Pro for my homework assignments and for work, and I'm going to click outside the box, and then you're going to go back to devices that I use and hit that plus button again, and I'm going to put cell phone, and click outside the box, and then go back to devices that I use and the plus symbol, and put iPad, and type in the box iPad. Then you're going to click outside the box again. So if you want to erase a branch, you're going to hit the Control X button while hovering your mouse over the plus button that you want to get rid of the branch, and you're going to hit Control X. And it should come up with an X button instead of the plus button. And you're going to hit the X button that is shown. Next, it's going to give you all these options of what you can do to your branch. Next to the colorful choose style button, I'm going to hit delete branch, and I'm going to click it. And that deletes the whole entire branch. So when you're done with your branch and you want to send it to somebody, you're going to go up here to the share this Coggle, so then you can show it to your work members or your students, and you can embed it in a website, so that means you can share it to a person with an email, or you can share it on Facebook and share it on Twitter. And all you have to do is click these 3 buttons right here. The nice thing about Coggle is that the way you save it is you go over to the left hand side, upper corner, and you're going to hit the Coggle with the arrow button. And you're going to click it. And that should save your Coggle. And then if you ever want to change it, you can go back to it later and it'll be saved for you. So now my technology is showing up in my Coggle homepage, and that should be done. Coggle is used for many other things. I like to use Coggle for work, and I can make a graph and I can present it to my coworkers, or I also teach for the after school program, and I like to make graphs on Coggle and then present it to the students that I teach. Coggle is used for many different things, for homework assignments, for organizing your ideas. It's just a way of where you can put your ideas down and use it. And I hope you get something out of Coggle, and thanks for watching.